Hey guys, it's Joseph here. Just a cool little thing that I wanted to share with you today. I'm keeping this short and sweet. Now check out Viofo's newest RTC 300 telephoto cam that just dropped. It's a cool little add-on for the Viofo A229 Plus and the A229 Pro dash cam. Now, Viofo is known for being ahead of the curve, always pushing the boundaries. Remember when they were the first to bring Sony Starvis 2 image sensors to their A139 Pro dash cams? Well, they're back at it again with a standalone telephoto camera for the A229 Pro and Plus models. So let's dive in and see why you're going to want this in your dashcam setup. So why would you need a telephoto lens on your dashcam in the first place? Picture this, you're driving and something happens a bit further up the road. Maybe there's an accident, or maybe you need to catch a sneaky license plate or a street sign. This is where the Viofo RTC 300 comes in clutch, zooming in to capture those vital close-up details that regular lens might miss. The RTC 300 is packed with awesome features. First up, it's got 2K Quad HD resolution at 30 frames per second, thanks to the fancy Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 image sensor. What that means is super clear footage that's going to catch every little detail. And it's got high dynamic range, which means your videos will look great no matter how tricky the lighting is. Bright sunshine and dark nights, this cam will automatically adjust the lighting so your picture is clear. One of the coolest things about the RTC 300 is its magnified recording capabilities. It's like having a zoom lens on your dashcam, perfect for those moments when you need to capture details from afar. So the RTC 300, it works alongside with your main dashcam, whether it's the Viofo A229 Plus or the Pro. So basically with the main dashcam, you get your wide angle picture, while the RTC 300 works as the zoom in portion for the cars in front of you. You could also install it facing the rear too. Check out some of the footage that we got from Viofo themselves. Now, a quick heads up if you're thinking of adding the RTC 300 to your A229 Plus or Pro setup. It will take up the Type-C rear port of your main camera. This means you're gonna have to choose between the telephoto lens or a rear camera. Personally, it's not my favorite decision from Viofo, and I know the community feels similarly as well. So hopefully, this is gonna get addressed in future iterations. You could also use the 3-channel model, but you'll still have to lose the rear camera to make room for the telephoto lens if you choose to use this. Cool little fun fact that I like to mention, the only other dashcam we've seen with a telephoto lens was the UltraDash Z3 mirror cam, where it was built into the mirror cam. I personally really like what it did. Even Aereo really enjoyed it over at Vortex Radar 2. We covered the UltraDash in our video with Aereo last year. Overall, the RTC 300, it's a pretty neat add-on. I wouldn't call it an absolute game changer for dashcams, but it is pretty easy to install, especially if you just have a 1-channel A229 Plus or Pro and you just want to add a nice little telephoto lens to it. And it does make capturing detailed and accurate recordings a breeze for everyone. So there you have it, the Viofo RTC 300 telephoto camera. If you're all about catching every little detail when it matters most, this is the gadget for you. Check out our latest deals and snag your Viofo A229 Pro or the Plus with the RTC 300 telephoto cam. Drive safe and keep capturing those important moments. Now, last but not least, be sure to check out our Black Box My Car rewards program that's free to join, featuring plenty of free gifts and rewards that you can earn right away. These offers are exclusively available on the Black Box My Car website. We've been adding many new products to make your dashcam and car experience even better. Last year, we started with the Aqua Shields to help clear the view of dashcams from rain and debris, followed by edge sight mirrors to cover blind spots and a pencil tire gauge. Just recently, we've launched a 4-in-1 wireless mount for your phone, a 21-in-1 precision screwdriver, a 3-piece outdoor multi-tool set, star tags, and cards, and the Power Mini 10,000, a portable universal battery. These goodies can be claimed in our Black Box My Car rewards program for free, our way of giving back to you. And not only that, we just launched our Spend More, Get More program, where the more you spend, the more you get. Starting July 22nd, we're offering free shipping on all orders over $150 on the Black Box My Car website. Now, when you spend $450, you get a free Aqua Shield. Over $750, a free Black Box My Car wireless mount. And lastly, when you spend over $1,050, you're getting a free Black Box My Car branded 128 gig micro SD card. Unlocking a new tier will include all the rewards from the previous tiers too. So the more you spend, the more you'll get. These gifts are available for a limited time, so check it out today. Now head over to Black Box My Car and grab yours now. And hey, thanks for watching. Support us by hitting that like and subscribe button on your way out. See you next time.